Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're actually doing a skincare video and this is on Good Molecules. So this is the first time I've ever had anything from them or tried it, so I am very excited to do this video for you. Obviously I've heard of the brand and I've only heard good things about them, as everything is backed by science as well, which is extremely good for skincare, as you really want to know that it's something that has been tested, that you know works, that isn't going to cause irritation or anything like that. Obviously everyone's skin is different, so what works for one person might not work for someone else. I thought I'd best just sort of point that out before anyone goes trying this. So the idea behind the brand of Good Molecules is that they heard that people were just saying that their skin didn't look any different. They were paying all this money for skincare and mainly you were paying for the jar rather than the ingredients that go in it, is what they state. So the reason they started is to create products that actually make a difference to your skin. And I have 4 of their products which are for oily skin and that's blemish prone and large pores, as that's my skin type. So first we're going to start with the Niacinamide, I think that's how you say it, brightening toner, and this is formulated with niacinamide, vitamin C, aubergine and licorice root extract to brighten and help protect skin against environmental stresses. Now I use vitamin C serum every single day and I have seen such a huge difference in my skin, especially where there's been any redness. It really helps to sort of get rid of that. So this is the bottle inside and this is 120 millilitres, so it's quite big, so this will definitely last you for quite a while. And you can use this in both the morning and at night. I tend to just use vitamin C at night and then I sort of leave it on overnight obviously, and it just seems to work for my skin that way. But obviously, like I said, everyone's skin is different. So with this you can either put it on a cotton pad and wipe it over your skin, which is what I normally do, or it says on this you can also dispense it into your palms and pat into your skin until fully absorbed. So that is really good, especially if you take this away, you maybe don't have any cotton pads or anything like that, or you're trying to reduce your waste, you're not going to use anything, you're literally just going to use your hands to do it. But I've actually been using this a couple of times and I've seen a difference in my skin using this one as well. Even though I've already seen a difference using vitamin C, this is a toner and I haven't got it in a toner form. But this actually can help improve the appearance of enlarged pores, which is something that I suffer from. So far I've only used it a couple of times like I said, so I'm not seeing that much of a difference. My skin feels so nice and refreshed after using it because vitamin C is in it, and that's obviously what you get from like oranges and citrus fruits. It feels quite refreshing on your skin. But yeah, I've actually been really enjoying using this. And this bottle's actually really weighty, like all the products, the bottles that they're in are weighty ones. They're good quality. But yeah, that is the toner. I also have the silicone-free priming moisturiser, and this is formulated with shea butter, macadamia seed oil and a plant-derived silicone alternative to help hydrate, smooth and nourish the skin. Again, this is one you can use both at night and in the morning. This is 50 ml, so it is a good size. If you have oily skin, putting an oil-based primer or moisturiser just doesn't help, it just makes it even worse. So I love that this is silicone-free, as it just sort of soaks into your skin rather than just sitting there, and it just seems to work with oily skin. It doesn't sort of make it oily, it just sort of absorbs it somehow. I'm not really sure how to explain it. Like, my skin doesn't feel oily when I've used it, and it seems to help under foundation as well. Like, it doesn't seem to make it break up or anything like that. I actually really struggle to find moisturisers that work for my skin, as a lot seem to make it break out. But this one, it seems quite gentle and it's also quite lightweight, which I think is really important if you've got oily skin, especially with large pores as well. And you also only need the tiniest amount and it covers your entire face and neck, which is really good. So like I said, it is 50 ml, it is going to last. I also love this bottle. Like, it has a pump on the top, which is really good for getting everything out. As some moisturisers come in like squeezy cheese, it's not easy to get everything out. But I really like that. So I think out of the 4 things I've got, this moisturiser is without a doubt my favourite, and I will definitely be repurchasing this over and over because it's one of the only moisturisers that isn't breaking my skin out, it's actually helping, so I'm all for that. I also have the Niacinamide Serum, which is just formulated with 10% niacinamide to refine skin texture and minimise pores. So this is the bottle. As you can see, it has a little pipette, and you can also use this in the morning and at night. And you apply this before any oils, moisturisers or creams. So you basically just do this on cleansed skin. And I actually tried this the other day, and once again this just soaks into skin very easily, and my pores actually did look smaller straight away, which I've never seen any skincare do before with me, as they are quite large, especially like on my cheeks and around my nose. That is my worst area, that is definitely the problem area. But this, it still felt quite gentle even though it's 10%, and I've actually never used a Niacinamide, I can't say it, but I've never used that before, so I was a bit like, oh, is it going to work or is it going to irritate? It didn't, nothing. My skin just looked nice, it felt nice, it felt smooth. Yeah, I was very, very impressed with this. And again, you only need a tiny amount, so even though it's 30 millilitres, it is going to last quite a while. I actually love this bottle as well with like the frosted glass. I think it looks very chic and just, yeah, I really like it. But yeah, this one definitely shocked me, as I wasn't expecting it to work for my skin. I was a little bit nervous of trying it, but I'm so glad I did. And then lastly, this is the only one that I haven't tried yet. Mainly because if you're using any other acids or retinol on your skin, it can cause irritation. So I actually go between using a retinol and a glycolic acid toners, and they are both from Pixie. So my skin is actually fine using those, but I'm a little bit nervous about using this on top or while I'm still using them. So I might have to sort of wean myself off them a little bit and then try this. And obviously this is one that you only use at night. So obviously as an overnight treatment, you only use this at night, and it says you apply a few drops to clean skin and sort of massage in a little bit. And this is formulated with 10% AHA and BHA to resurface and renew skin. As I said, my skin is definitely prone to blemishes, so I do try to exfoliate at least once a week, and it does make a difference. Like I said, we're using the other acids. I'm a bit nervous of doing it as I know they're already working for my skin. I think I will definitely try this at some point, and I might put something maybe on my Instagram about how it worked, because I do want to try it, because I love exfoliators, I love trying different ones. So I might just have to brave it. Now with this having these acids in, and if you use any acids on your skin such as retinols or anything like that, you always have to make sure you use SPF on your skin, as it sort of takes off that top layer, and also you don't want any skin damage. I would use as higher SPF as you can find. I usually use 50 because my skin is so fair anyway. But yeah, if you are using this, I would definitely recommend it. And it also does have SPF on the back, which I guess means you should use it after. But I would say definitely. So they are the 4 things from Good Molecules. Like I said, I've only tried 3, but I have so impressed with these, especially the moisturiser. As I've said, I find it so hard to find one that actually works, but this one seems to be working so far, so I'm very happy with that. So I've got to say, this was like the card that comes with it. How cute is that? And it also goes alongside all the packaging as well. So these were actually sent to me from Beautylish, so they are one of the UK stockists, and they have all the Good Molecules products on there. You have to read on their website, and it does tell you which is suitable for which type of skin. Obviously all that I've tried are suitable for oily skin. All the packaging just sort of goes hand in hand with each other with labeling, and the packaging is all really weighty. So I am really impressed with that. It's really good quality, like both inside and outside of the bottle. I hope this has given you just a little bit of information about this. If you want to see anything more about the products, how they've worked, maybe an update in a few months, then please let me know. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you soon in another. Bye!